Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with the 5th episode of Tech Talks on my channel. If you haven't watched the previous videos, that is the previous Tech Talk videos, you will find those links in the description down below. You guys can check it out. Okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Most of us have played the game called GTA 5 and we all are aware of the fact that how realistic the games looks like, and that's why Intel has started up with a new project, that is they will soon be introducing machine learning as a key feature to develop their game so that the realistic graphics looks much more realistic, and also you will have a better gameplay experience as well as a more realistic gameplay experience as well. In my previous Tech Talks video, I have already mentioned about the PlayStation 5, its release date and all the other features that it will come up with, and now a new update that came out is that this PlayStation will be coming up with 25 new types of games along with some of the cool characters that they will soon be introducing for their PlayStation 5, which you might not have seen on the other PlayStations as well. And the games and those 25 games will be a much better quality, that is the games will be coming up with a much better quality as compared to the previous generation PlayStations, that is the PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4 and the other Xboxes that you have. Bad news for Roku users. As we all know that Roku is a well-known streaming platform along with all those Amazon Fire TV stick that we generally use, because Roku was having an agreement issue with Google, and that's why Roku decided to remove the YouTube TV, that is the YouTube TV app, and also containing the other policy agreements that Google was not agreeing with that platform, and that's why they have decided to remove YouTube TV from their devices. And that's why those Roku users, that is those people who use Roku, will not be able to get those apps, that is the YouTube TV app or the YouTube app from now onwards, because the agreement and the policy issues that were made by Google was not accepted by them, and that's why it was a clash with that company and they decided to do so. Twitter, as we all know, is a well-known social media platform, and also nowadays it is on a very trending topic, and that's why Twitter has decided to introduce a new feature, that is Twitter will be introducing the smart language feature. That is, the smart language feature will help users to block potentially inappropriate words or slangs, and also whenever you post your tweet, then a message will pop up if you write anything that is inappropriate or using slangs or any other kind of stuffs, then it will warn you in the beginning of your post so that you don't face any legal issues for your post. And that's why Twitter has decided to introduce this smart language feature for its users. The entire tech world has now plunged into another kind of crisis, that is the smartphone brands are now facing issues with their manufacturing those new devices, because all of you might be aware of the fact that the smartphones or the laptops, the computers or everything that is electronic gadgets, that is I mean to say that the electronic gadgets that most of us uses semiconductors, that is the chipsets, the other things, that is there inside the CPUs or the smartphones that we use uses semiconductors, and the semiconductor is used to manufacture the processors, motherboards, and all those stuffs that we need for the manufacturing of these kind of devices. And because of this COVID-19 situation, the semiconductors are not at all available, and that's why these tech giants, that is the Samsung, Apple, LG, these brands are facing some issues. So because they are not able to manufacture the smartphones because of the crisis of the semiconductors, and that's why in this COVID-19 situation it is very much difficult for those companies to manufacture those kind of devices. And that's why these companies have decided to launch their upcoming smartphones or the upcoming laptops. Those companies which used to sell laptops basically will not be able to come up with the new products in the recent times because of these kind of issues, and so we need to wait for the new launches or the new smartphone launches, and let's see what comes out. Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in these kind of topics. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.